most cases, they get built out of CMU blocks. So those are single concrete blocks. And depending on the height and the layout of it, we got to make sure it's the right size foundation and with enough reinforcement. In most cases, standard size is 12-inch by 18-inch. But again, depending on the height, it might be much bigger than that. So first we got to look into that. A lot of times you don't need a permit for this, but your local city has guidelines on it and codes that we can just use. After that, it's digging the foundation, putting the rebar reinforcement there, pouring the concrete, and raising the wall on top of that. And most definitely, you want that wall to be filled with rebar and concrete. So in case of earthquake or any minor movement, the wall will not crack or fail.